Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. We're here checking out a 3-bedroom pool home. Just had a price reduction. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 1700 Lockheed Bay. This one was just reduced to $789. Great lakeside of the highway location, right down the street to Windsor launch ramp. Super desirable area, very little turnover in this area. You might have heard me say before, you either live here, you're lost, or you're on the way to the launch ramp. So you really don't get any junk over on this side of the highway. It's all pretty nice. Still had Havasu hodgepodge. You know, you can have a brand new home like the one going in across the street next to an older home, but typically everything's super nice. So this one does sit on a big corner lot. It's nicely landscaped. I believe it was just painted inside and out. Let's go check it out. So you have a cool little flagstone entry. Cool wooden door, little pond. You have can lights down in here as well. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 1998, 1,910 square feet. Again, just reduced to $789. Nice big open living area. You have your can lights throughout. Fireplace, slider out to the backyard pool area. Looks like a wood burning stove. So it is a split floor plan with a front kitchen, which is a little bit unique. Have a nice little dining area nook in the front here. Tiled counters. Has nice plantation shutters throughout the house. You actually have this pretty cool little lake view right out the kitchen window here. So you have a hall off the kitchen over to the master. Has a vaulted ceiling into the master bath. Slider out to the backyard pool area. You have your master bath. You have a double glass door walk-in shower. Little soaking tub. You have your tiled walk-in shower. Dual sinks. Toilet has its own door. All right, so you have the indoor laundry, door to the garage, and the other bedrooms and bath on the other side of the house. So we have bedroom number 2, kind of just right off the hallway from the living room. So you have the guest bath. And bedroom number 3 at the back of the house also has a slider out to the pool area. All right, let's go check out the garage and the pool. All right, so you have your indoor laundry. It's actually pretty big. It has this little alcove in it. All right, so you have your 3-car garage. You have a 23-foot, a 26.5-foot, and a 34-foot drive-through bay. All 8-foot insulated doors, epoxy floors. There is a big swamp cooler in here. You have your drive-through bay out to the backyard that we'll go check out right now. All right, so you have a little covered patio out here. Real nice backyard and pool layout. Little palapa. Pool looks great from what I can see. Pool deck is all really nice. A little paver patio area, little fire pit, never used. Also, they put in this killer kitchen, never been used either. Has a little fire pit on the counter. Very cool. Kind of blows mine away, huh? Big TV, barbecue. Has lights and ceiling fans, fridge. There's no fridge or sink, but there's the workings of it ready to go. And then you have your little drive-through bay out of the garage that you could put something out here and make this all kind of an outdoor living type area if you wanted to. Be kind of cool. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Lockheed Bay. Again, this one was just reduced to $789. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys can get all the current pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.